Hello guys, this is Jacob. Flux.1.1 I just released today, so I'm making a video to show you guys how to test it out, and we're gonna make a side-to-side comparison between Flux 1.1 Pro and Flux 1.1 Dev, which they released not too long ago. Let's get started. So if you go to Black Forest Labs AI website, you can see they actually are not just announcing the launch today. So they basically launched Flux.1.1 Pro and also the BFL API. And so if you want to test the Flux 1.1 Pro, um, right off the bat, just go to replicate.com and basically Black Forest Labs and Flux-1.1-Pro, so you can test it out. So basically just put a prompt here. So there's a default prompt. You can use it for free. I think Replicate right now just offer that for free, so people can just try it out. And then you can just paste the command and then specify the size of the image or do a custom size. And then you can hit enter or just click the run. That will generate the image. So I did a quick test on the some from like a robot holding a board with writing, make open source communities more accessible with Jacob Dev. So you can see it's actually very clear, like including the words, right? The words is so clear, and with the also special characters. So um, so this is really good. And then if I actually use the Flux.1 dev, we can see the exact same prompt, you can see basically the word is not exactly right, right? And actually it's missing a lot of the characters, right? Like the with Jacob Dev Plus, that basically the Flux.1 Dev totally missed it. And also the image quality um, is not as good as Flux 1.1 Pro. So, and here's basically a quick comparison. Um, Maybe we should try something that's also very interesting. Let's go. I just grab some prompt and let's see if some of the prompts are very interesting. Let's see. Let's see some of the pretty classic prompt here. So basically, sailor. Let's see if, what kind of result it generates. Okay, let's keep the configuration the same. Hit enter. So okay, so this is actually a sailor holding a sign, which is Flux.1 tutorial. Let's go to Flux.1 dev to see if there's any difference. Let's turn inference steps to 8. Oh, by the way, replicate.com doesn't actually let you specify the steps. So, but you can do it in the Hugging Face space. So, and also you can see Flux.1 is kind of slower, a little bit slower as the announcement today made. So, Flux on 1.1 Pro is much quicker, in fact, and the quality you can see, and the 1.1 Pro is better. So, which is true, as the statement says. I think this covers basically um, the Flux.1.1 Pro, how can quickly access it, test it out, and hopefully you enjoy this video. And if you do like this video, please subscribe, comment, or like. And thank you so much, and see you in the next one.